Is it possible to moonwalk barefoot? You might think shoes are essential for this iconic dance move, but what if your bare feet hold a secret advantage? Let's uncover the surprising truth behind moonwalking barefoot. Moonwalking is all about sliding your feet smoothly backward while appearing to walk forward. The key to this illusion is controlling friction between your feet and the floor. Shoes with smooth soles reduce friction, allowing easier slides. Bare feet naturally have more grip because skin creates more friction, making the slide more challenging. However, this extra grip means you have greater control and stability, which can help you master subtle movements and balance better. Your success moonwalking barefoot greatly depends on the surface you practice on. Smooth floors like polished wood or tile reduce friction, making it easier for bare feet to glide. Rough or carpeted floors increase grip too much, which can stop the slide entirely. Some dancers actually prefer barefoot on the right floor because they can feel the surface better, adjusting their weight and foot placement more precisely, gaining more control over the move. While shoes can make moonwalking easier, they are not a strict requirement. Skilled dancers can adapt their technique to perform the move barefoot by adjusting pressure and slide speed. Barefoot moonwalking demands more foot strength and balance, but it trains your muscles differently and can enhance your overall control. So yes, it's possible to moonwalk barefoot, but it takes dedication and practice to master the unique challenges barefoot dancing presents. So is it possible to moonwalk barefoot? Absolutely. It might be harder due to more friction, but on the right surface and with enough practice, your bare feet can slide just as smoothly as any shoe. Next time you want to impress, try it barefoot and feel the difference. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.